Stranded on this island.
Hey guys, it's Pat here at Manitoulin Island RC. How are ya? Well, we're not on Manitoulin Island. We are actually in Parry Sound at the Salt Docks. This is a really awesome place to crawl. So I'm here to pick up my wife, girlfriend, and figured I'd take a couple minutes just to play around in the rocks and decompress after a long drive. Ooh, that was nice. Wasn't really expecting that. So we are testing out the new Injora foams, or sorry, I should say silicone inserts. And I don't know about them yet. I'm not too sure. I'm not sold on them. I'm not unconvinced. However, I'm not sure they fit right in these tires, if that makes any sense. Ooh, that's a cool little ridge. Let's see if I can ride that and stick to it. Ooh, no. Up on the axle. No. Come on, we can get this. No. Not gonna get it. Oh. I'm really having a lot of fun with this truck. Unlike my other crawlers that I kind of set up as trail trucks, I really bashed the poop out of this one. It's more of a crawling rig now, I guess you can say. I haven't put any weight on it or anything yet. I plan to maybe try to put a little bit of brass on it. But as you can see, this thing is just freaking stellar the way it is. Like, it doesn't really need much. Wonder if I can make this drop here without rolling. Come on, get in there. There we go. Bit of a roll, but quick recovery. Yeah, when those tires load up under pressure, they just kind of pop out of the holes and they just climb. See if I can make it up this little ridge here. That might be a tough one. But there it goes. Let me zoom out a little bit here. You're probably losing half the shot. So these foams are pretty cool. Or should I call them inserts, I guess. They're not foam. I'm going to try this again because that was just really awesome. Oh, nothing to it, man. All right. See if I can make it up. Ooh, don't fall off the edge, though. No, I think I can make that, though. If I had just hit it at the right angle. There it is. Nope. That was a bit grippy. Ooh, barely saved that one. You can kind of get lost in your lines here and really have no idea where you're going. Every once in a while I kind of hit a dead end where it's like, no, I can't even go that way. But it's still a lot of fun. Wonder if I can do that right there. course I can. But that snow's not going to help. Nope. I wanted to try to get up on that ridge, but that didn't work. Oh boy, I'm being rough on it today. Oh man, thought I was gonna make it. I really thought I was gonna make it. Yeah, these foams just don't fit these tires right, so I don't think they're gonna work for the Wild Peaks. I might try the Endura 2-stage foams though in these, see if that works. I've used them a few times, I like them. Huh, this is what I mean by dead end. Not getting out of here. Oh, that was cool. Ooh. Nope, I think I got jammed up there.